Continuity Replay Cloud is the latest evolution in managing your customer interaction data. The cloud-based SaaS solution helps you access and manage your data, like call recordings, emails, web chats, and videos, to comply with retention requirements. Legacy and production communication platforms lock your data in proprietary and encrypted formats, making it difficult to access. Continuity Replay Cloud removes these barriers, giving you a unified portal to search, replay, and leverage your data. With search and replay, retention purge, legal hold, and audit logging features, Continuity Replay Cloud helps you seamlessly comply with your data retention requirements. Store your data securely with robust encryption and role-based access controls. Guarantee reliability and availability with enhanced redundancy and disaster recovery. Integrate with Production Contact Center as a service platforms for ongoing data ingestion, unifying your customer interaction data management. Future-proof your data for seamless AI use in customer journey mapping, sentiment analysis, and trend identification. Plus, enjoy automatic updates and new features. Continuity Replay Cloud offers greater value with enhanced search functionality, guaranteed redundancy, high availability, additional layers of security, and future-ready components. Choose Continuity Replay Cloud for your comprehensive, secure, and scalable customer interaction data management solution.